unbox this DIY celebration kit by Imagimake, and my friend Avyan is joining me to unravel this intriguing celebration kit.
Hello Vaini, I am so excited and I just can't wait to open this kit.
So let's start unboxing.
This kit has 13 projects for kids to enjoy all year long.
Yes, one project every month. Republic Day greeting card for January.
Basant Panchami wooden thali for February.
Holy prop sticker art for March.
Summer scrapbook with stamp art for April.
Mother's Day fabric coloring for May.
Father's Day photo frame for June.
Funky Rakis for July.
Clay modeling Ganesha for August.
Teacher's Day flower making for September.
Dashera Rangoli for October.
Diwali glass painting diya for November.
Christmas ornaments for December.
And bonus project Eid sand art.
So Vaini, which activity are you gonna do?
I am going to do the Basant Panchami Aarti Thali.
And I am going to do my favorite, the Christmas ornaments.
So let's start the activity. This DIY kit comes with everything you need, from the markers to the colors. With each activity designed to have a wonderful creation for each festival around the year.
This kit not only nurtures creativity, problem solving and motor skills, but also boosts the self-confidence of kids as they are able to independently create a variety of masterpieces.
The diverse range of projects included in this kit also provides excellent resources for school assignments, encouraging children to enhance their creativity and presentation skills in academic settings. Every kit comes with step-by-step instructions, making it simple for kids to create their own festive masterpieces. Aarti Thali is ready.
And my Christmas ornaments are also ready. So this time, celebrate your festivals with the Imagimake celebration kit.
So grab your celebration